Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Here's Sandy and myself and Rob are here at the moment. Kim is up on top and got Les is coming in. Had a bunch of people because the driveway in is so bad, have decided not to come this weekend, which I get it. I understand that. But so what we're doing is we are mylaring stuff. How many scoops? You didn't even...
I forgot to add it up because
oh,
I
yeah.
can't get it consistent.
No, you're fine. It's fine. Well, we just know that once we get, we'll put the number on the bag, and out of that 25 pounds of sugar, we'll have like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that'll add up to 25 pounds. So, so right now we have the mylar bags with the oxygen absorbers. Do that for a second. I'm going to shake this one down.
Unplease the bottom.
Yep. Yes, I can get more on this one. Okay. Oh, okay, I gotcha. It's probably about good on that one. You think?
Pull it up. Stand it up. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, we got labels.
Yep, got labels. We're doing the sugar first. We have 50 pounds of sugar. We got small red beans, split green peas, 4 boxes of mashed potatoes, and then we have, is that angel hair?
Angel hair.
Yep, angel hair pasta. So, and I got the smaller boxes that were already split, because then that way we didn't have to break them up when we did it.
It's getting a little warm in here.
Yeah, so we could open a window.
I'm good at my job, what can I say?
What's that?
I'm good at my job, what can I say?
Yeah, right. Think that's good?
Yeah, just
Yeah.
to make sure we can get it, yeah.
Okay.
Closed.
Alright.
Alright, you want to do one more?
Yeah. I think we got enough sugar for one more.
Or you want me to hold it and you pour it in?
Yeah, yeah. If you hold it, I'll just pour it a hold. We're going to have to break out of the next bag to finish filling this, but that's not going to do it. Rob, for the wood stove? I don't know exactly what the date was. I have that on my other piece of paper, was when all this barrel was packed away. I have the date on that one. So I would have to look at that to tell you. But obviously the sugar is still good. I think that's good on that one. The next one?
Yeah. And if we get some in the bottom, we can just maybe add a little bit more to each one.
Right.
sometimes absorbers will cause the sugar to
Harden.
but got a hammer.
Right. Like I said, sugar's one of the things, guys, that you are not going to be able to get after an SHTF situation. So I would highly recommend stocking up on plenty of sugar ahead of time, depending on your needs. It can also be used as a fantastic barter item because, again, it's going to be one of those things that are not going to be available after SHTF. Is that all the ones we got open?
No.
Oh, one more. Okay, this should be good then. We'll leave this bag and then we'll do the.
It'll probably be that bag will be the end of it.
Yeah. We might have a little bit left over. Yes. I think that's going to do it. Yeah. Look at that. Okay. Alright, so we got how many? 7? 3, 4, 5, 7?
6.
Nope.
7. Yeah.
Yep.
3 and a half each.
Alright. So, like I said, we're just did the sugar first, but like I say, the angel hair pasta is smaller. That's going to go. You don't have any little smaller bags, please? Alright. So, that went much easier. So we'll start putting them in, and actually that's going to be a perfect size for those. So we're probably going to get 2 pounds in each one of these.
Do we want to take them out of the box? Or?
Yeah, oh yeah, we're taking them out of the box. Yep, getting rid of the boxes, getting rid of the bags, all of that as we pack things up. Like I said again, then we got the peas, we got small red beans, okay, and so all these things will, and then like I said, then we have the mashed potatoes as well. So we're just, and then like with the mashed potatoes, what we'll do is on the back, let me just show you real quick. What we'll do is we'll just cut out this part for the instructions. Look at Bonnie. We'll cut that out for the instructions, and that'll get, put back in the barrel, so that like we'll just take the whole back of that off and put that in there, so that we know with the instant mashed potatoes that we'll have the information that we need. So that is our agenda this fine day. So I'm going to jump off of here for right now, folks, and I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.